What are the easiest languages to learn? According to the Foreign Service Institute, the easiest language for English speakers fall into Category 1. These are Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, and a handful of others. They take roughly 600 to 750 hours to reach professional working proficiency. Here's what makes them easier: shared Latin-based vocabulary, familiar grammatical structures, and the same alphabet. The closer a language is to English in those three areas, the faster your brain builds connections. Category 4 languages like Japanese, Mandarin, Arabic, and Korean take 2,200 hours or more because the vocabulary, grammar, and writing systems are all fundamentally different from English. Ling is built around 5 core features: structured lesson progressions that move you from basics to conversation in a clear sequence, native speaker audio for accurate pronunciation from day 1, script training for languages with non-Latin alphabets, grammar explanations integrated into lessons rather than listed separately, and progress tracking so you can always know where you are and what to review next. These features matter because fluency requires all 5 working together. Apps that focus only on vocabulary or only on listening leave gaps that stall progress at the intermediate level. Most major language apps concentrate on the same group of widely spoken languages: Spanish, French, German, Mandarin, Japanese. If you're trying to learn Tagalog, Swahili, Georgian, Albanian, or even Mongolian, most of these apps will have you thin content with limited depth. Underrated languages are ones with passionate speaker communities but limited learning resources. Ling was built specifically for underserved languages and currently covers over 60, with a particular emphasis on Southeast Asian, Eastern European, and Central Asian languages that mainstream apps overlook entirely. Duolingo does not offer a Thai course. Thai is a tonal language with 5 tones, 44 consonants, 32 vowels, and a script with no spaces between words. That level of complexity requires instruction that goes beyond basic phrase matching. A good alternative for learning Thai is the Ling app. Ling's Thai course covers tonal pronunciation more thoroughly and includes script training designed around how Thai is actually read and written, not just transliterated. Beyond apps, look for YouTube channels in your target language and Reddit communities organized around it. Language exchange platforms like Tandem or HelloTalk can also connect you with native speakers. But the easiest language to learn is always the one you study consistently.